So this is a follow-up video to my previous video on deadheading cannas that I took last year. As you can see, we finally have them blooming up here in the Ohio Valley. It always takes a while. We had a very cool spring and early summer, so they really took their time. It's almost 4th of July and we're finally starting to get lots of blooms on canna plants. So these have been blooming about, around a week. And you can see they're already starting to form those little seeds right there. So once again, you just pluck those off. Do that all the way up as the flower is spent. So they kind of get a little worn out looking. They eventually will drop off. Kind of make a mess underneath if you don't take them off. So one question I had was what to do once the entire stalk has bloomed. So once that's done, you will cut that right here, just above where it's attached. And if you look, there's already a new stalk trying to come out off to the right there. So that will elongate out and keep blooming. That will get pretty tall. And then after it's done, you'll get another bud coming off to the side, usually several times. Eventually it will get to the point where it does not produce any more flower stalks. So yep, that's basically it. Hopefully this is a good follow-up video with any other questions you may have had. So again, once these stalks finish blooming at the top, you will usually have one replacing it to the side. And here's another one doing that off to the side there. So once this is done, cut it right there and you're all set. So yeah, this is Cleopatra again. The same one I used last year for the video. It is a chimeral variety, so it has lots of beautiful striping of the foliage and multicolored blooms. So hope everyone's doing all right and have a good afternoon. As always, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.